The IMT Apprenticeship Program was created through a coalition between employers and labor unions that understood the need for a highly skilled workforce to address the resurgence of American manufacturing. This 18-month apprenticeship program, developed by the WRTP with assistance from the AFL-CIO Working for America Institute, Jobs for the Future, and the U.S. Department of Labor, combines classroom work and on-the-job training that makes the IMT journey worker skilled and highly productive. This new certification will make U.S. manufacturing more competitive globally and also allow for the IMT journey workers to earn a living wage to support their families. What I gotta do to get a job like the one you have?
We facilitated a group of employers and unions to come together to really design this curriculum so that it would meet all of their needs. We had the machinists and the auto workers and the steel workers and the electrical union.
Employers were excited to participate in the program because they were having the opportunity to directly address a key need of theirs, which is having a strong, reliable source for skilled entry-level workers.
Some of our employers were Harley-Davidson, GE Medical Systems, Ocean Spray, HB.
This allows for some standards, some professional level credentials at an entry level.
It was a no-brainer, actually, for us, because it was an opportunity for us to offer training not just to maintenance, but to our production workers also.
The entry-level skills have changed from more of a mass production line to high-performance work.
They got equipment we got to run. We got brand new equipment. We got a brand new line right now currently. So an investment company putting in our employees, it only makes the company stronger.
You know, we talk about lean, and we're on a huge lean transformation right now. You elevate their skills, automatically they're going to start thinking, how do I do this job better?
We don't need to just meet all the levels that all of the industrial world is getting into. We need to exceed them. We need to grow more. To me, a program like this is doing just that.
The IMT Apprenticeship Program is about 2,800 hours of on-the-job training and about 300 hours in the classroom, with instructors coming from technical colleges right to the workplace.
Pure Power is able to customize their curriculum to fit their facility. Ocean Spray customizes the curriculum to fit their facility.
The core competencies of training focus on safety, interpreting production specifications, the setup, inspection, adjustment, and operation of production equipment, measurement using mechanical tools and instruments, blueprint reading, and mathematics.
You know, you have some on hands-on, some computer, and then you get classroom where you get an instructor coming in, and then there's always somebody there on hand for the 4 hours if you have any questions on anything. So I thought it was like right up my alley.
I started off as a grade 2 and I'm now a grade 5.
Brandy Dunham is the nation's first IMT journey worker, and she's a single mother now earning a living wage. Her completion of the IMT apprenticeship program has accelerated her personal advancement, inspired co-workers, and made her a more valuable and productive employee.
What happened with her is she'd come in at entry level, and then a much higher grade level quality position became available that has pretty stringent math requirement testing.
When I was introduced to the math class, I was a little overwhelmed at first.
And it was obvious that that instructor did a great job and Brandy did a good job because her scores on that test were superior.
Apprenticeship provides a good vehicle for your future.
Yeah, that's good work if you can get it. And you best believe, Coach, I won't forget it.
In the recent years, a lot of the kids didn't want to come and work in the factories because they were worried about their jobs leaving, that they had no future there. But when they start investing in the training, they start investing in the apprenticeship programs, and they start moving these people up and get them into the higher paying jobs, into the other apprenticeship programs, it makes them feel a lot more security for themselves and their families.
The line is here, the work is here, it's job security for my guys, it's helping my guys get more money. It's a beautiful thing to see work coming back from overseas.
The more we create jobs, the more we create opportunities, the more advancement there is, the more people come into the labor movement, the more the labor movement grows.
As the lawyer in the room, I look at what the cost of quality and a failure to have that quality or rework or God forbid, an accident or an injury. Oh my God.
The AFL-CIO is excited to not only build on this successful model that's in place now, but to continue to explore what possibilities are out there. Who can we partner with? Can we get more employers, unions, the government, educators to come together and really take what we know and expand it on into the future so that we provide opportunities for our workforce going forward.
Do what I gotta do, what I gotta do, what I gotta do, what I gotta do, what I gotta do.